Excuse me.
Good.
Come again?
Nope, go ahead. Last trade, 25,288.
Oh, yeah. Well, I was looking. I saw them rejecting the 25,350s last night. So I was looking for some continuation from those 350s, maybe down into the 125, 100 area, looking for the overnight lows, the London lows, or New York lows from yesterday. I'm sorry, New York lows.
Huh?
So I was looking for something to go down maybe towards that
We're still short,
25,100 area,
heading
but
south
we may get
on
some static in barcode
paper
from
trading
there
because
before
my account
anything actually worth
is
taking a
about
look at.
$10 from being blown up.
So
And I have two resets, and I'm not going to start
40
them
points lower
till
right now.
what is
Sounds
today?
good,
Yeah,
Jack.
Today is
that would be my downside
October
target.
Okay, excellent. Sounds good, Jack. Just took a peek at the 10-year
21.
yield,
So I got 3 more days of
3.96%, Jack.
timeout.
How long have we crossed
Yeah,
that
That's
line?
it's
I
what's
think
been
our
going
stake went
on, my
our stake
dear
went through
friend.
we
our 4.0.
are very
But I
interesting
am short
price action in general, especially with all the
oil
volatility
from
going on in
it's right
gold.
there, right here.
Bond yields have just come in a
I'm
little
gonna keep
bit.
it, so it's no
Still haven't
lie.
gone too far below the 4%, but
57
anything can
35
happen.
contracts
Looking
short.
at the
So
ES right now,
57.30
from
is
all the internet
about make
BS
a
that's happening yesterday,
line.
there's still, at least on my charts here, some of the data hasn't been backfilled yet. So if that's happening
57.30.
to you, just please be aware of that when you're picking out
Going
levels and
against
things of that nature.
57.
So I'm going to wait for things to populate on the open
Okay,
and come back with some levels from the SPX.
excellent. Very good. Thank you, Jack. Like one more time, talking about the what happened yesterday with the Amazon Web Services outage. One more time, we'll be repeating it throughout the day, but those that are just tuning in, yes, outage has been resolved. Trading combines and XFAs, express funded accounts, trades between 2 a.m. Central to 4
So
p.m.
with
Central
this
yesterday
white line
will be
is
voided. If you pass the trading
this one
combine
right
yesterday,
here.
you will be able to
Actually, I might
activate
do a
your
call out
XFA
right
today.
there.
If you're a live fund trader, you'll receive an additional email. So check your inbox for that. We understand it's frustrating. We appreciate you being part of this, and we'll continue to work through it. But yeah, widespread outage, AWS affecting all corners of the internet. So let's get ready. We got 5 seconds into the open. Let's take a look at some of these
You guys gotta
prices.
be quiet outside that door.
Me? 25,300 last trade in the NASDAQ, 67.73 last trade ES. Gold trading
57.30
42.11. Micros.
times
Oil sitting
5.
well beneath $60, trading $57.17. We are
Sure.
now open. We are now open. Stay locked in. We'll get right into this.
That's
Even eye on this. So the sell-off in gold, dollar's getting weaker, Jack. A lot going on. A lot going on right now. Seeing rejection up at those 300s in the NASDAQ.
And
so
we
we
saw
got
something
10
very
points on
similar
there.
happen in gold as
Or
it did a
10
few days
ticks or
ago, where
whatever.
we had this kind of frantic melt up, looks like liquidation around the highs from a few days ago, and then overnight just got hammered, especially coming into the European session, and continues. I mean, it's off its high by, $190 or something like that.
Yes.
Hell of a move.
It's a hell of a move. It's moving insanely fast. Insanely fast indeed. Dakota looking, where do we buy it? Where do we buy it? Well, still holding bid right now. 25,000. Yeah. Let's take a look at the schedule. Anything in the near future? Well, Waller scheduled to speak. Well, it was scheduled. Did Waller start already? That was scheduled for 8 a.m. Central Time. Yep, Waller did. He's
Really?
talking about, yeah, talking
Supposed
about
to be the
payments,
blackout. Okay.
innovation, talking about payments, not talking about monetary policy or economic outlook. That FOMC meeting will be a week from tomorrow. A week from tomorrow, expected to cut by 25 basis points. You can tune in Top Step TV wall-to-wall coverage for that. Posted on any headlines that do hit. It is earnings season. We do Netflix, Texas Instruments after the bell. Tesla's this week as well.
Yep.
And of course, we got the Fed scheduled to speak later on this afternoon. And of course, the president hit the wire on a moment's notice. All right, a little bit more of a pullback here in the NASDAQ, 25,270. Right, lows at 253, but 10, 20 points off those lows. from the overnight.
Let's go.
But Antonio is the bear.
I was
Antonio,
looking for it. I was waiting for it. I mean, it only says sell to me. It doesn't say buy today yet again. I actually have, while we wait for some moves, I have some examples that I set up from last week for those things that we've been talking about on previous
sure.
episodes.
Okay. Taking a short or taking a
So
longer,
this
just
is
your trade setup in general.
well, this one here is for the MQ, the 125-point increments example. This is a good one from Thursday. Actually, this is the day Dakota went long from 25,100s and I faded him. This would have been a good day for me to be on before the day before we both went short and we got the W on that, but this would have been a good one as far as fading him on that. But we have here, we have the 25 875s. We have a complete sell-off from there. Buy up from 875s, or I buy up from 750s, which is 125 points. Then we get some static above 875s, fall right back down to 750s, 125 points. We get some static. We build up orders, now we're back all the way down to 625s. Each one of these moves is 125 points. From 625s to 500s, 125 points.
24,625.
Yep, from 625 to 24,500, it's 125.
Yep, like it.
I have a gold example for our 50s and 100s from last week as well. They both set up good examples on that same day.
Nice
They
trade
both
gold
set
for me
up
too.
great examples. Yeah. So this is from, what is this? 42 300s. Reaction at 350. Fail 400. React at 350. React at 300. React at 350. Fail 400. It's they just set up a perfect example to explain it out for the 50s and 100s on gold and the 125-point increments on the NQ. It's like I said in previous episodes, it's something to keep in your back pocket, but it's not something to lean on.
100%. 100%. All right, good stuff. So you do get that set up. Let's know if you do get that set up. A little bit of buying here in the ES 67.75. Just like to say good morning to MJ in the chat. Look how unprofessional this company is. They let an idiot like Andre run their show. Guys, an absolute moron. MJ tuning in. Greatly appreciate it. We're pushing high here, though, MJ. Stay locked in. Stay
MJ's
locked in on
making
this
us
one.
money.
MJ, appreciate it. Not the first person that's calling me an idiot, so I appreciate that. 67.76. 67.77 overnight highs in the ES. Look at the NASDAQ did bottom out at 25,255. Call it 255. Right back up 40 points. 295.
Right up to 250.
Right? Look at that.
Yeah, you can't make this stuff up.
Nope. 50-50
so
on the
This is why we just sit and wait.
So we will. Dakota, any prices? Any prices you got your eye on?
Okay, found it.
Not right now. I mean, if we get down to like the 25 150 level, 150s, 160s, sure, I might look for a long there. Right now, I'm just gonna wait for this market to shake things out. We're mixed. It's a mixed bag today, this morning, with earnings and everything that's going on. Kind of a little indecisive.
Yep, I'm waiting as well.
Yeah, we've opened pretty middle of the range here. Looking at the SPX, we're right around the HVL for the 0-date options, and the call level start at probably in the futures like 67.85, and then looking to the downside 67.45.
67.45. Okay. 85s to 45s. Very good. Indecision here in the markets. Absolutely. Again, right back to 25,279. 10-year
Oh,
prices,
a little
same
bounce.
bid. And as 10-year prices go up, yields go down. Little pop here in gold. About a $19 pop. We're looking at trading 42.30. We were just trading 42.11. And we're continue to cook here. Now $20 pop in gold. Damn, they come in, they come in. Yeah, gold. Look at that, chat. It's all over this gold. Look at that. Oh,
I see it.
$26.
Yeah.
Wow.
Never thought I'd say it, but that's currently the Widowmaker market.
It's
Just
wild.
I think some people have gotten onto the options train over there. It has left the station, just chopping everyone up.
Man, let's pop in the ES here. Who caught the longs in
I got
gold?
cooked last night on gold.
Yeah.
I got cooked.
Yeah, I had a good trade on gold. It's just one of those trades where, like, man, why did I not hold it? Why did I not hold it? I shorted from 4,300 evens. Or
Well,
40
mine cooked me out
90.
like maybe like 1 or 2 ticks, and I got cooked and then watched it. But this goes back to one of our last week episodes again, where it's like it dumped through my stop loss. So I was pleased with that.
Incredible. Gold with a
It
$25
didn't just stop and tick me out.
Oh, yeah,
You just
no.
knew you were wrong. Yeah, those are the best.
It fell straight through, so I was so much more happy.
Right. Well, just again, one more time, gold was just trading 42.11. Now trading 42.36. More buyers step in. We got oil trading beneath $57 a barrel, trading right now 56.93. 56.93. That's very wicky right now. Take a look at the tilt. 50-50 on the tilt. So we got to push higher here in gold. 42.38.
Someone says the implied volatility on
We
the
holding?
gold ETF is 100. It's pretty up there.
I
Yeah,
believe it.
100?
volatility in gold is insanity.
Yes, it is. It is indeed. Nasdaq trying to hold a bid here. 5,280s.
This looks like a whiplash. Nobody's buying, nobody's selling.
And yep, turning around here. Yes, stayed a little stronger. 67.76, about a point and a half off those overnight highs.
I am now in a long from 81.
81.
Damn, that short is paying off.
81s.
5.
Holy guacamole.
Micros, small size.
That short is paying off big time. Check that
All
out.
right.
Wait, short right here.
What's your upside target
I
on
like
this
that
one, Dakota?
rejection there. I like the rejection from the long Dakota.
Yeah, I'm gonna look to play 300 here.
Yeah, buddy.
I'll take some profits along the way.
That right there is what I'm talking about.
Alongside. This market's just holding up pretty good. Holding up pretty good. We have Amazon up 1.25%. We have Apple up 1%. So Amazon's up.
Is Amazon up yesterday? I'm not making light
It
of
was
it.
up yesterday
Yeah.
too.
We have an average. Let's go up in our stop.
I scratched
I'm
that
gonna
one. I
fade
scratched
you.
that. I don't like to reject the 80s.
I'm gonna fade you, and I'm gonna go short 2 micros.
You short, Antonio?
Short 2 micros from 66s.
66.
Downside target.
Double hundreds.
100s.
I'm fine. I got out because we rejected those 80s because now we're starting to
So we're targeting, let's see.
buyers
We're
failed.
gonna do 3 right
Failed
here.
to break out, so now we break down.
Right
maybe.
there. Sell times
Yeah,
3.
that's what I was waiting for.
You go. Selling.
Remove that.
Still coming in here in the
I was
Nasdaq.
waiting for
Move
it.
up or out.
But I
Your initial
stopped above the last 5 minute candle at 25,285.
285. Roger that. That's trades. 242. Now 240's trade to the downside. Yes, seeing selling as well. 67, 69. Now 68's trade. More selling in the NASDAQ. Here we go. Nasdaq into the 30s now. New session lows. 1,234. Looking for 45. Nice cut there, Dakota. That just strictly Spidey sense on that one.
Yeah, just point of a breakout, right? And we either break out or fail. And we
That's your
failed.
favorite
So
trade.
we get rejected.
That's your favorite short to break out through the bottom.
I know. I don't like shortness anymore.
Heavy short tilt in the NASDAQ. 77% short right now on the tilt in the NASDAQ. Price 268. 268. Right for Antonio short from. We're selling here in the ES now. 67. 67. And you're pushing higher here. Prices that is.
Yeah, the lows of this sort of most recent cycle in the 10-year were just about a basis point lower, around 3.94. Share that. Here, let me
We'll
go
turn
out
right
to
around.
like 4-hour chart.
We'll right back to 42.15. We were just trading in the 30s. We'll turn right around. What chart are we looking at here, Jack?
This is the 10-year yields. You can see how we broke for a
So whatever the number is, that's what we're gonna sell.
sort of this resistance.
It should be
To
here.
break below it, next spot I would
Should
look
be
at
here.
is the low yields from the what are we calling that in retrospect? The tariff tantrum? Is that
I've
what we
heard
call
called
this
that.
event?
I've heard it referred
Yeah.
to as that.
Anyway, breaking through 3.9% would be that. But this is the
Yeah.
lowest
Check it out right there.
blip we've been in the 10 years since October of last year. 172 watt just got eaten at 67, 71 3/4. Yes.
Long.
253. One long, one short. Same quantity.
Same quantity. Yeah.
Right. Right around ES. I'm sorry, crude. Lows 56.68. 5-minute candle just opened up here. Looks like got some more downside pressure. ES bottomed out at 67.66. Up to the 70s and it's whippy right now. Very thin on the NASDAQ ladder.
Scratch minus 179. Yeah, shorts are looking good. We failed to break out higher on that one too. So the fact that we swept the lows and now we get continuation, it's gonna start looking good for you.
Yeah, I'll just point out too that some of the thematic names, shall we call them, are just getting murdered right now. We got Core Weave down 4.7, Oclo down 8.3%. The quantum names are down 8% after some of them being down 10% yesterday. So there does seem to be some rotation there. Or maybe they're all trading gold now. Maybe that's where you go when you're a degen.
Yeah, well,
Maybe everything's changing, man. We went from crude oil being the hot topic to trade to NASDAQ. Now is it going to be gold?
I have the gold. We got 10-year. Price is still cooking here on the upside.
Let's see what happens. There we go.
Crude selling off. We sell off. New lows
45, 45. Come on, come on. Come on. A little bit more.
Up to the 40s.
Dump
A
it.
little bit more.
Feeling heavy.
What the
So
hell?
buyers are trying to step in and hold it here. Very, very thin on the ladder within the
It's gonna go
NASDAQ.
break
Push, baby, push.
Couple ticks in profit on this.
You could do it.
Money loss.
Going from 5-0.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the sweep and rally back up to those 300s.
Gold is turning around and turning around far. Now 42.06. Remember about 4 minutes ago we were saying gold was trading 42.35. Gold with a $30 sell-off. Those gold. Yep, CL trader, you see it. Great job. 10-year pushing higher here in prices. Yields going lower. Crude prices going lower. $56.73. ES Nasdaq trying to make up their mind. It feels heavy. And new highs. Is that right? At YM new highs. Highs on the 10-year. Markets are rocking right now. We got 4,000 people watching all
Let's
across.
go.
Let's go.
Thank
Little bit more, a little bit more.
Go lower.
We're looking for right here.
Top of the chat.
60.
Top of the chat. You got your top step daily levels. Click
So
on
we
it.
went in at 30
Stay on the screen for those. If you
to
don't,
30 points.
refresh before every
There,
day.
bell.
Don't.
First partial.
See right there on your charts.
Let's do
Indicators tab.
bells right there.
Right there on your charts. Gold continue to push lower. Now into the 4,100 new lows. 41.96. $40 sell. Crude selling off as well. And you're pushing higher. We're in a $40 sell off now. Continue to go now. $50 sell off from gold right now. We are trading 41.85. 85. We were trading 42.35. Gold in the absolute.
Ooh.
Well, it needed a pullback, right? And it gets unwind.
It did. I mean, these are prices we haven't seen since last week.
Is that true?
Yeah. No, I mean, gold went ballistic to the upside last week.
Yes, it did. Gold last year 41.92, 91s now. Silver down 6%.
Yeah.
10-year push.
Take out last week's lows in gold. It would have to get all the way down to like 4,100 and change.
Okay, not out of the pot.
Well,
why not?
So we got two runners.
Coming.
Yep, new lows in ES 67.63 just printed. Crude, it continued to go lower now. Nasdaq, we don't have a Nasdaq trade 25,000. 228. Antonio short 260.
Why are you at hell like that?
25,000. You move your stop. Your stop in profit now, Antonio, or how do you manage that?
Yes, my stop is just slightly in profit. I have 2 micros, so it may still end up in a small loss if it gets hit, but I'd rather take that than having it in the negative. So at least we get another crack at it. Yes, my stop is.
Indeed, Dakota, you are flat. You still in this?
Yeah, I want to get into a long. I've failed to manage getting in correctly.
Hello. There we go. Is that it?
So, yeah.
New lows gold 41.79. 41.79
Hello?
again.
Hello. Okay. Hello. Okay.
In the ES, pop in the Nasdaq. Markets are rocking right now. I'm trying to wrap my head around is my head spinning? I don't know, maybe a little bit, but I'll tell you why it won't be, because I'm gonna bring it home. 41.79 again. Because these markets are rocking right now, man. Happy Tuesday, Hogue. Gold. Pop in the Nasdaq. Markets are rocking right now. I'm trying to wrap my head around is my head spinning? I don't know, maybe a little bit, but
Still rolling. Look at that. What happened? I don't have my camera. Still rolling. Look at that. What happened? I don't have my camera. Hello? Boys are not talking. Hello? Boys are not talking. Okay, we're back with that. But we got, it looks like we don't have sound in the back. We're back with that. But we got, it looks like we don't have sound in the back. We got an extra mic here. Takes up audio too. Hello? Testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.